Broom handles line, automatic line for handle manufacturing. The plastic coating extruder mainly covers the outer layers of various iron wires, iron pipes, steel pipes, aluminum pipes, metal hoses, etc. The outer layer coating mainly uses different plastics such as PVC, PE, ABS, PA, etc. Vacuum calibrating water tank gives single screw extruder. Broom handle steel pipe plastic coating machine. Cooling water cooling, gives shaping and sizing, gives straightening, gives up to a maximum speed of 30 to 50 meters per minute. The products produced are suitable for different occasions, such as outdoor and indoor, and are widely used in the fields of decoration, heat preservation, antisepsis, and etc. Can be an ordinary iron pipe, stainless steel pipe, aluminum pipe, and other different materials.